It's Frank with Blackstone Leasing and Management. We're at 243 Smithfield Road, Unit 4, North Providence, Rhode Island. It's a garden level, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent here in North Providence. Start our video tour right when you walk in. Newly renovated throughout, new flooring, high ceilings, big windows with plenty of natural light. Closet straight ahead to the left there. Kitchen here, brand new gas stove, granite marble countertops, undermount sink, freshly painted cabinets, new refrigerator, stainless steel, new lighting throughout too. Walk down the hallway. To my right, the bathroom, new flooring, the vanity, toilet, brand new backsplash in the shower. Smaller 2 bedrooms here. This could fit a queen set. Decent sized closet in the corner. We have the main bedroom here. This could fit a king set. I'd like to schedule a viewing at 243 Smithfield Road, Unit 4, North Providence, Rhode Island. Click that Show Mojo link at the bottom of the screen. Pick the time that best suits you. Or if you'd like to beat the rush and apply now, click Apply Now. Fill out the application. It's Frank with Blackstone Leasing and Management. Thank you and have a great day.